Today we got a video from Real Body Cams, and the title of the video is 22-year-old nurse had an easy out, chose this instead.
On June 25th, 2025, an officer in Ohio was patrolling a highway when he spotted a blue Kia driving with no working taillights or brake lights. When the officer ran the vehicle's plate, he discovered the registered owner had a suspended license, prompting him to initiate a traffic stop. Here's what the officer did next.
What's that? Alright, do you have an ID on you? You ever been pulled over before? Why did you stop right in the middle of the lane? There's lanes of travel. You don't pull over in the driving lanes when you get pulled over. I know, when you get pulled over, you gotta pull over to the side. That's my point. You still living on... What's that? Where are you staying at now? What's that? Oh, you have an insurance card need to me yet? Sit tight for me.
She got to get with the program. License, registration, insurance. Simple as that.
477 radio deal. 477. He's in the next 31. It's for a blue Kia Forte brake. Contact's going to be 2. She's going to be cited with the non-compliant suspension, seatbelt, and brake lights required.
Damn, he hitting her with a seatbelt ticket?
You ever have anybody stop right in the middle of the freeway when you turn out when you pull them over? You ever have anybody stop right in the middle of the freeway when you pull them over? She stopped right here. I'm hawking, then she goes in sideways. I'm like, you got no brake lights.
Most of the time it's up here too. Like,
yeah.
All the way up here.
Yeah. I'm like, you got no brake lights. How am I supposed to know that? I'm like,
check your car.
yeah. You really wanted to go and do the hook for me?
Yeah.
And then maybe you could transfer up to Rockside or something. Thank you.
Okay, simple citations. Sound good. Sound good. Okay, that look like Sarge.
What's your phone number? I need you to put your current address right here, and then I'll explain the ticket to you. I don't know why you're getting mad at me for. Well, you shouldn't be driving. Put your current address right there and then sign it. Lee Road, is that Maple or where is that at? Maple, what's it? It says you for the non-compliant suspension, not wearing your seatbelt, and not having your brake lights. We're going to have to tow the car. Alright, so you go and gather any belongings you have, and then we'll take you up to the Rockside Road as far as we can go. Alright, you gotta make other arrangements. You can't safely drive this vehicle. 1, you don't have a driver's license. 2, you don't have a working brake light or tail lights. Your court date, it's mandatory to go to court date. It's going to be on the 10th of July, 1 p.m. If you have any questions, there's a phone number on the back of the site for you.
Okay, simple, simple.
It says something about getting your daughter. What? It says something about getting your daughter. We can just take her to the Rockside. Drop her off at the Burger King or something up there. She said she just got cited today. I don't know how the guy didn't tow her car.
Well, that's good. They even giving her a ride. They can't make her stay on the side of the highway, though. You know.
Probably just take her and then.
That's fine.
Property.
That's cool. I don't know, Dino must have got lost.
Uh-oh.
Get out of the car.
I don't have no permission.
Uh-oh.
Yes. Don't make this harder on yourself than you already are.
Uh-oh.
You have to get out of the car
It's
now.
giving CNA vibes. Uh-oh.
They have no right to do that.
Yes, we do. You need to get out of the vehicle now.
There's no phone.
You need to get out or we're going to drag you out. Get out of the vehicle, please.
Me out.
Get out of the
You
vehicle.
won't have a job. So
Yeah.
don't touch me.
No. You need to get out. We're towing the vehicle. You need to get out of the vehicle. You're just going to make this worse.
She ain't acting right. Get her together, guys.
You're 5 seconds for getting arrested. You're 5 seconds for getting out of the vehicle.
Get her together.
Get out of the vehicle. Get Now you're under arrest. Yeah, you should.
Yeah, my RNs is crazy too, but this right here is giving CNA. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is giving CNA vibes right here.
Get in.
You a racist ass cop, and I hope that you don't never be a cop again. But don't ever tell a woman.
Racist because you got to get out the car. And they were gonna give you a ride. Can't make this stuff up.
Good?
Yeah. There's another one someplace.
That one's somebody else.
477 radio. We're gonna have a 21 for obstruction and resisting.
I don't know where yours is.
My what?
Your citation.
What'd she say? I don't know. Just got this one today too. Huh? I don't know why the hell they didn't tow our vehicle. Huh?
Just like lipstick and stuff.
You got our keys? Oh, for the house.
I'm gonna take her back. I'm gonna take her back.
All right, make sure somebody meets you there.
You also gonna have to come back here and just search it really quick.
I'm just gonna pat you down real quick. Do you have anything on you that can poke me or stick me? Any piercings that I can't see? Are you bringing? No? Oh, your belly, okay. Are you bringing anything in with you that you shouldn't be bringing into jail? No? Okay. Can you turn around and face the wall?
The suspect was charged with resisting arrest, obstructing official business, and driving with a suspended license. The suspect was also issued citations for failure to wear a seatbelt and taillight violation. In court, the prosecutor dismissed the suspect's charge of resisting arrest as well as both citations. She was found guilty of obstructing official business and driving with a suspended license and was ordered to pay $900 in fines along with all court costs.
Never get any punishment. Never. These people never get. You gotta pay $900 for acting like an ass. Come on, man. They need to sit. Go sit in the county for 90 days, man. Act right, man. Get you together. You know what I'm saying? Like, go sit in the county for 30, 90 days, man. Golly, this was so simple. This did not have to turn out the way that it did. And I don't understand why it even did. I'm still confused. Why would you choose to act out and not get out the car and they giving you a ride to the nearest Burger King or whatever the case may be to make your arrangements? Whatever phone call you think that's important that you making is not going to change the decision that these cops have already made. So you might as well just go along with the protocol, man. But anyway, I'm going to give these cops, man, I'm giving them a 3 out of 5, man. They did pretty good. You know what? Nah, I'm going to give a 4 out of 5. I'm going to give a 4 out of 5, man. You know, I think this, you know, yeah, 4 out of 5. They did pretty good. They definitely did pretty good. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.